Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 1 of Engineering Circuit Analysis. Today's lecture is focused on defining basic terms that are used to talk about electrical circuits. We're going to talk about 3 key terms: current, voltage, and resistance. To get us started thinking about the topic, let's answer a simple question. What does an electrical circuit do? Well, an electrical circuit takes energy, runs it around in a loop, and does some useful work with it. For example, that useful work might be something like spinning a motor. Think about what happens when you turn on the ceiling fan. The energy is taken from the electrical wires in the wall. It runs in a loop, operating the fan's motor, which then rotates the fan. In today's lecture, we're going to examine how that happens and define our key terms. We'll start by going over what an electrical current is and outline units of current. Then we'll look at voltage, or the push that causes the current to flow. After that, we'll cover the concept of resistance, which opposes the current flow in a circuit. Finally, we'll look at some examples of electrical circuits in use in the real world and conduct some experiments to observe these concepts in practice. This will help to demonstrate these ideas and see what questions we still have. As we go, I expect you to make notes, participate actively in discussions and group work, and ask questions if there's anything that you are not sure about. By the end of the lecture, we will have a clearer understanding of what the different components of an electrical circuit are, and we should be starting to think about what's involved in electrical circuit analysis. Okay, so let's get started.